So let me show you how to change the language back to English from any other language in the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So let's say you find yourself stuck in a different language. So you swipe and tap on settings, but you can see it's all in a different language. All right. So what you need to do is scroll and look for the globe icon. All right. So you're scrolling on the settings page to look for that globe icon. Let's try and find that globe icon. Here it is. So this globe icon here is what you're looking for. Okay, so that should tell you that that is the language option. And if you tap on it, now all you have to do now is scroll and look for the word English. So you can tap on that, and that's going to change everything back to English. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.